The LETO-3 kit contains the following items: a physical copy of the safety instructions and the quick start guide, the display already connected to the driver via a flex cable, a USB flash drive containing the software and manual, a magnetic display mount, the power supply, a mini USB to USB cable, and an HDMI cable. Establish the HDMI connection to the SLM first. Then connect the power supply. Open the HOLOEYE SLM Slideshow player software. Upon starting the application, a device detection dialog pops up which checks system settings and points out possible conflicts with the graphics card. If there are any conflicts, the according settings will be marked in red. To adjust the settings, click on the Configure Device button. The following configuration dialog suggests possible settings. To apply the selected settings, click on Change Mode. Close the Settings dialog. All settings should be now marked in green. Click on the Use Device button. Go to the Files menu and select New Slideshow. Now select the images you want to address. In the following window, you are able to edit your slideshow like steering, focusing, and flipping the images. For now, click OK. Hit the play button to address the images on the display. Now place a linear polarizer on the display and turn it until the addressed image is visible. Alternatively, you can also make this quick test without the need of installing any software by manually checking the graphics card settings and using any image viewer to address the test image. To check your graphics card settings, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. Make sure the Extend these displays setting is selected. To check the resolution of the SLM, click on the second monitor and scroll down to the Resolution Select box. The resolution should be 1920 by 1080. To test the SLM display, open any image file in an image viewer. We use the Windows Photo Viewer. Switch to full screen mode, using the arrow on the bottom right or by pressing F11. Now, move the window to the SLM display by pressing Windows plus Shift followed by the right arrow key. To bring the image back to the main screen, press Windows plus Shift followed by the left arrow key. Now place a linear polarizer on the display and turn it until the addressed image is visible. To use the SLM for phase modulation, additional settings may be required as explained in the next video. LETO-3 Spatial Light Modulator Configuration.